Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. If you're new to the channel, you're very welcome, but you gotta know that if I wear those sunglasses, a company is about to get roasted. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you my experience with the Sennheiser Momentum 2 headphones and why I'm sending them back to Germany. So without further ado, let's get it on. In the very beginning of the video, I want to point out that I'm not an audiophile by any means, guys. I don't use any external amplifiers or specialist equipment or any sort. I use my tablet over here, the iPad. I use a bunch of Android phones and sometimes my computer to listen to music. Pretty much just like the majority of you guys out there. So the main reason I bought this Momentum 2 headphones is of course the price drop. Originally they were retailing for £200. I sold them at 50% last month at Sennheiser.com or whatever their website is for just £100, guys, which is a crazy bargain considering even Amazon were selling them more expensive than that. So I went for this ivory version over here for iPad. Now no elephants has been killed in the manufacturing of these headphones. It's just the color is called ivory and is made specifically for iOS, iPads, iPhones. What does that mean? Now the control over here for the tracks is a little bit different on the iOS compared to the one for the Android, and the 3.5mm cable over here has 3 rings rather than 2 for Android. What this means is that if you try to use that headphones which were manufactured for iOS, if you plug them into the computer or to an Android device, you're not gonna be able to skip the tracks with this button over here, although the volume button might or might not work. So pretty much there you go, that's the only difference. I can imagine that this is the discounted version simply because the iOS users are more into Beats rather than Sennheiser, but anyway. So in my personal case, I've been using the Marshall 2 headphones for quite a while now, and although I quite like them, they're on-ear headphones and I wanted over-the-ear headphones because of extended usage, especially when rendering my videos to the computer. So the other reason is that 5 years ago I bought the Sennheiser HD212 for just 30 quid and I'm extremely satisfied with them, but I wanted to go a little bit more premium. I went online, I read all the reviews for the Momentum 2 and they were absolutely brilliant, 5-star ratings everywhere. These are the best headphones, blah blah blah. And I was like, man, okay, I'm pulling the trigger. £100, 50% off. I started listening to music and I was like, I'm really not happy because, when you buy a fancy product and if you have, these super high expectations and you plug it in and you're like, what's going on over here? I mean, you probably know that feeling. And the thing is that compared to the HD212s, of course the sound signature is better. The mids and the highs are better, but there is no bass. That's the reality. These headphones compared to those headphones, they've got no bass. And the thing is that these are 30 quid at the moment. These are 200. It doesn't really make any sense, guys. So basically, if you're into hip hop, into even metal music, these are not gonna get the job done properly. And the thing is that, okay, the build quality is premium. They're absolutely beautiful, real leather everywhere, this and that. But I've got a problem with that as well. Probably I was one of the unlucky ones, one in 100,000 or something like that, that actually my headphones are a little bit defective and I have to send them back to Sennheiser. Now they were brilliant, no questions asked, just return them within 30 days and we are cool pretty much, and that's what I'm about to do today, guys. So let me show you what my particular problem with build quality is, guys. You can see this padding over here doesn't look like this one. This one looks nice and fine, but this one, check this out, guys. This is not supposed to be like that. And you've got this R signature over here, which pretty much I think is when they were manufactured, so they should know that this is the right one, which is supposed to be tucked in inside. And the thing is that when you try to do like that, this whole thing comes off so easily, guys. But apart from that, the build quality is absolutely marvelous. You've got this very high quality plastic over here, stainless steel over here. You can see how the logo plays with the light. You've got the real leather over here, guys, brown leather. The stitching, I mean, everything is absolutely brilliant in terms of build quality, apart from, you know, the small little defect on my ones. You've got this velvet pouch over here. It is so nice to the hand, and it smells so nice. And also this carry bag over here is quite good, guys. So in terms of design and build quality, yes, it is good, but I just got unlucky and got a defective unit. I'm sending them back to Germany, first of all, because of the build quality issues, and second of all, because they don't sound that great, actually. Certainly not for a 200 pounds, because you expect to be, you know, blown away, and you're just not. And that's the reality, guys. I don't know how come there are so many reviews with 5 stars ratings and this and that. I can imagine that if you're very serious about music, you're using something, you know, very high end. You're not using these ones. And if you want a little bit more bass, you're using Beats or Sony or something like that. So the thing is, apart from the design, why should you waste your money on the Sennheiser Momentum 2? I really don't know. It's absolutely unexplainable to me. But yeah, that's about it. I'm sending them back, and pretty much that's it, guys. If you have these headphones, hit me up in the comment section below and let me know, am I missing something over here? Although I've used various devices, my computer, my phones, the LG G7. Where is the LG G7? One sec. Where is it? Yeah, the LG G7 over here, which has a specialized 32-bit DAC with the force power dongle. Pretty much blows your socks off on every headphones. And the thing is that the maximum volume output is not higher than the HD 212s over here, guys. So in reality, if you want a wired headphones and if you don't want to break the bank, just get the HD 212s. And although they're made of cheap plastic and they rattle like that, you're not wasting your money on these ones. So you better look somewhere else. So pretty much that's my take, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, and of course I've got plenty of more headphones coming down, especially the Major 2s, which apparently stay as my kind of budget friendly premium headphones at the moment. I got them for about 60 pounds. I'm sure you can get them on eBay for 60 pounds. And apart from the fact that they're on-ear headphones, they're pretty much excellent. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Adios.